Hey baby dolls, welcome back to my channel. I know you guys are here to see this gorgeous wig, so make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get started. Okay, so starting off with plucking, this wig is from the beauty supply store closure video, y'all. She been through it, but we dyed her jet black and we shampooed her and conditioned her. So let's get to plucking. So I just go in and I part my hair out, and I pluck in like 4 sections on each side. I don't go too far back, but I go far enough. So you guys just see me getting my parts ready. I know I'm wearing a center part for my install, so I want to go ahead and do that. It's much easier to do all the styling on your wig head or your mannequin head and then put it on your head. It speeds up the process and it's much easier because it's right in front of you instead of on top of your head. So I'm just pushing that hair back with my hot comb, and I'm gonna go in with my tweezers. Now, when plucking, you guys want to make sure that you pluck in sections. So you guys will see me, I pluck, I skip a section, pluck again, skip a section, pluck again, skip a section. And that's just what I do. You do not want to create bald spots when plucking your closures or your frontals. That's not cute. We don't want that. I'm also using angled tweezers. These tweezers were like $3. They came in like a pack. I will definitely link one in the description box for you guys, but they just make plucking so much easier for me. So yeah, I'm done with the first section. I'm going on to my second section. I'm going to just do the same thing that I did with the last section. I'm going to hot comb it back and pluck it, pluck, skip a section, pluck, skip a section, so on and so forth. So yeah, you guys can just sit back and watch what I do. If you guys do want a detailed video on how I pluck my frontals, because this is a closure, I will make that for you guys. And yeah, so just relax and enjoy, and I will be back. So in this section, I just feel like there was too much hair right there, and also it's the very front. So I do a little bit more plucking. I bring that hair back down and I pluck some of that hair out. Then I go back in and I pluck the rest of that hairline the way I want it to be. And then I'm just gonna push that hair that we brought down backwards with the hot comb, like you guys see me doing right here. And then I just left a little bit of that hair out specifically for my baby hairs. I find it much easier to pluck it like that, and just to see how everything is going to lay. So now you guys just see me getting that part and trying to perfect everything. So I'm going to go ahead and pluck the other side, and we will be right back. So on to styling. I'm going to take this coconut organics hair serum, and I'm just going to spray that everywhere. Now I'm going to go in with my hot comb just to flatten everything out and just to try to get everything as straight as we can without straightening it, so we can go ahead and cut this hair. So yes, I know my tripod is a little bit crooked. We have technical difficulties, but we got her together. So I'm just gonna go in with my scissors first, just to see exactly where I want that hair cut. I started off with a small section of cutting it because originally I was gonna do like a bob to my chin girl, but I was like, nah, let me chill out. So yeah, you also want to make sure that you guys do cut in sections. Start off by cutting just a little bit, because if you cut too much and you mess up your wig, then you're going to be upset. You always want to start by cutting less and then just going back and cutting more if need be. So now I went in with these Conair razors, and I'm just going to cut this whole wig. It doesn't have to be perfect because I didn't want it to be a blunt cut. I was going to add layers in it regardless. So yeah, I just kind of wanted it to be around the same length though. So you guys want to make sure you guys are taking your time when doing this. I'm not a professional barber, so I don't want to say that you guys can like just cut this however, but like be careful, like common sense. Don't cut yourself. Don't bring it too close to your fingers, because mine weren't really sharp. They were very dull. These are actually my boyfriend's. I stole them. So yeah. But yeah, just be careful, y'all. So yeah, I'm just going to go in and I'm just going to cut this whole thing across and try to get everything as close to the same length as possible. So we're just gonna go in and straighten this out. So I went in with that organic coconut serum again, and I just took my flat iron on 450. Yes, girl, 450, because I like things straight. And I'm just straightening out this whole wig. So I'm gonna speed this process up as well, because I know y'all know how to straighten some hair. So yeah, also I will link everything that I use in the description box. So now that the whole wig is straight, I just went in with the razors again. What are these called? Is this called a razor? I think so. No, it's not a razor. What is this? Whatever. So on to the install. Boom, she's on my head. If you guys want a detailed cap, there is one. It's the previous video I uploaded, so I will link that for you guys. So yeah, you guys, look at the lace, girl. Look at the lace. She looks terrible. So we're just gonna go in and hot comb all that hair back. I'm still gonna leave my baby hairs out, but I just want to get that to my liking and see how I want it to lay. Look, the lace. So I'm gonna take this razor that I got from a beauty supply store. It was $1. You guys already know. Go ahead and cut all that extra lace off. If this is a frontal, make sure you guys really cut all that lace off. But this is just a closure that I'm using. So I'm just gonna cut off the lace in the front that you guys can see that I don't want there. But I'm just gonna leave a little tiny bit on there just for my install. But yeah, that's all I'm doing. She looks so much better already, but we still not there, y'all. When I say it's a transformation, it's a transformation. So I'm just cleaning off my face. This video was taking place at 11:58 at night. I always film late at night, so you guys, I'm tired, as you guys can see all on my face. So I took 4 layers. I did 4 layers because it's summertime. That means it's hot outside. That means the glue is getting sticky and sweating, and your wig can slide. So no man, we're doing 4 layers of our Ghost Bond glue. You guys only see me do 2, but definitely I did 4, okay? And then I'm just gonna spread that thin as I can make it, and then I'm just gonna go with my blow dryer on warm, and I'm just gonna blow dry that so it can get really tacky. So now we're gonna bring that down and we're gonna press that lace into our skin. You guys just see me trying to get everything laid, and then I'm gonna go in with my comb and I'm just going to really try to press that lace in. And I'm gonna use those hairs. I always use those hairs that I leave out to lay it easier for me. It's just easier for me to pull onto and just get everything in place. I'm going back in with my Ghost Bond just to touch up any areas that didn't get enough glue, and I'm just gonna tap that lace in. Now I'm going back in with my blow dryer on warm just to try to melt that lace in as much as possible. We have to work with this lace, really work with this lace, because it is from the beauty supply store. Now I'm gonna go in with my Got To Be glue spray. I'm gonna put that directly on that lace where I want that fake scalp to be at, and then I'm gonna go with my elastic band just to tie that wig down and get that melt started, okay? Now I left it on for, I want to say like 15 minutes, and it's still not to my liking. Like I said, y'all, we're fighting with this lace, so we're gonna fix that. But I'm just gonna go back in with my hot comb just to flatten everything out and just make everything look sleek, okay? Ooh, she looks so much better already. So I'm gonna just go in and pluck some more of these baby hairs. It was too thick in both sections for me, so I just went ahead and plucked that out before we got started on those. So y'all are gonna be mad, but part of my video, like, my camera stopped recording and I didn't realize it. So by the time I was done with this side, that's when I realized that it was done recording. But you guys do see me do the other side. I just did like the arrogant Tay method. I know a lot of people are doing this. I curled it just a little bit, and then I went in with my got to be glue hairspray just to get the baby hairs laid. This was really my first time trying it. I don't know how I feel about it yet, but I'm gonna keep practicing. So I'm just going in with the same foundation that I actually applied to my lace and applied to my cap. It matches my skin tone very, very well. And I'm just cleaning up that part, and then I'm also going to apply that makeup to that lace, and y'all are going to see what it does. Okay, make sure y'all do this, especially if you guys are working with darker lace. Make sure y'all do this because it looks so good. So now I'm just gonna go in with some more of that Got to Be glue spray to tack everything down, and then I'm gonna tie that elastic band around my lace one more time just to get that real good melt, y'all. Like, it looks good already, but we're gonna do it one more time. So during this time, I'm just gonna go in and cut a few layers in the hair because I am going to curl it. I left it straight for tonight, but I went ahead and I curled it the next day, and y'all, I love it. You can either wear it straight if you want to, or you can go in and curl it like I did. I did little light curls on mine. And boom, look at that melt, y'all. It looks so freaking good. I'm not even gonna lie. It looks so good. And I know I look like a grease ball, y'all, but I need my face to be moisturized. So on to the next day. We're just going in with this 1.5 inch curling iron. And I'm just throwing some random curls in this hair, y'all. And this really gave me the look I was going for. It's really cute, really classy, and I just paired it with a red lip, y'all. I never did a red lip before. This is my first time doing a red lip, so no mean comments, please. Just boost my head up, okay? That's all I'm asking for. All right, so yeah, I'm just gonna go with those curls, and then I'm just gonna zhuzh it to give it some more volume, and then just get those curls really to my liking and just perfect it out, and yeah, y'all, look at her. Wow, this wig just did a whole 180. So yeah, y'all, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.